This is really yummy.
Delish.
This is what I've been craving all week.
I'm thankful that Mom lets him go for motorcycle rides.
Mm. Hey guys, welcome back to Ally Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Ally, and on today's episode of Ally Can Cook, we're doing a Thanksgiving edition and showing you guys how we make our savory Thanksgiving pie.
Yes, it's quite original.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's completely vegan. It's pretty much Thanksgiving in a pie. We kind of worked with what the flavors that we would use for a stuffing. Very simple and easy to make, probably takes you less than 30 minutes. Great option if you have vegan guests coming to your Thanksgiving dinner this year, and we're gonna be definitely making it for ours. So we hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and yeah, we'll get started. Alrighty guys, so that is how we make our Thanksgiving pie. Super simple to make.
And wonderful if you're invited to someone's home and they ask you to bring something. This, for a person who is vegan, makes perfect sense, and it makes your host's life easier.
Exactly. We're gonna dig in now because we're starving.
She's digging in. I really like the cranberries. Scoop some of that. What do you think? Did we do it?
It's so good.
Is it so good?
It is so good, guys. It's Thanksgiving in a pie. It's awesome.
It is really tasty. So this pie, you could serve it with a nice fresh salad on the side.
Some biscuits, nice warm biscuits.
Yeah, nice warm biscuits.
Anyways, we hope you guys all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if you try out this recipe, make sure you tag us in it. Take a picture, put it on Instagram. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Should we say happy Thanksgiving?
Oh, and happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
From the McManuses!
Yes! Bye!
Think of something that you're thankful for.
Oh, I'm thankful for you.
Oh,
and
so sweet. I'm very thankful for this pie.
And me.
And you.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right, we're gonna
Bye.
finish this now.